Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying eligibility and hardware. This is essential. Open My Jio and confirm that your mobile number shows 5G access, or visit a local Jio outlet. Don't guess. Once done, check your phone's specifications for supported 5G bands and update carrier settings. These enable connection. Make sure your plan explicitly lists 5G entitlement, because without it you won't get service even on compatible hardware. Now that prerequisites are set, move on to configuring network and APN details. You now enable and configure the network settings. In your phone's mobile network settings, choose the 5G preferred profile so the device will attach to 5G when available. This prioritizes speed. Next, verify or create the Jio APN. Use APN equals Gionet and default protocol. This ensures data sessions authenticate correctly. After saving, restart the phone and perform a manual network search so the radio latches onto a nearby 5G cell. This helps when automatic selection delays. You finish by validating performance and handling common failures. Run a speed test to confirm higher throughput and lower latency. This proves you're on 5G. If the phone remains on 4G, reinsert the SIM, toggle airplane mode, and reapply any carrier updates. These simple actions often clear registration issues. As a final measure, collect your IMEI, SIM ICSID, and a brief test log, then contact Jio support. They can push provisioning or check local tower settings, which fixes stubborn cases most of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.